For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the latest developments from Palantir Technologies and its groundbreaking partnerships, stock performance, and future potential. Palantir Technologies, a leader in the artificial intelligence and big data space, continues to expand its influence across various industries, and recent news only solidifies its standing as one of the most exciting tech companies in the market today. Let's break it all down. Palantir Technologies, in collaboration with Edge-Scale Artificial Intelligence, recently announced a strategic partnership to deliver a revolutionary solution called Live Edge. The goal of this partnership is clear: to bring the power of AI into operational environments, making it feasible for industries such as manufacturing, utilities, and other complex sectors to leverage AI technology in real time. This new offering will allow companies to harness the power of artificial intelligence without being bogged down by the heavy infrastructure that is often associated with such advancements. Instead, Live Edge provides seamless access to critical operational data, automating various physical processes that were previously manual and time-consuming. By streamlining these workflows, Live Edge aims to fundamentally transform how industries operate, enabling faster decision-making, greater efficiency, and more precise execution of tasks. Tom O'Brien, who leads commercial partnerships at Palantir, spoke on the significance of this new offering. He explained that Live Edge will free customers from the burdens of complex infrastructure needs and overhead costs, speeding up both the delivery and realization of value. This is expected to be a game changer in industries where timely data and automation can lead to more efficient and effective operations. Palantir's ability to extend its software capabilities to virtual computing environments powered by Edge-Scale makes it possible to access hard-to-reach operational data and automate crucial processes that were previously inaccessible. This multi-year collaboration between Palantir and Edge-Scale not only solidifies their partnership, but positions them to continue pushing AI innovation in industries that have been slower to adopt these advanced technologies. With AI becoming more integral in today's industrial landscape, this partnership could have far-reaching impacts on the future of manufacturing, energy, and more. In addition to this strategic partnership, Palantir has made significant moves in other sectors as well. The company recently extended a multi-million-dollar agreement with APA Corporation, building on 3 years of collaboration with the oil and gas giant. This extended deal marks a new phase in their partnership, bringing even more AI capabilities into APA's global portfolio. With Palantir's artificial intelligence platform at the core of this extension, the companies will introduce new AI tools to help APA enhance its operations across its expansive oil and gas networks. Another key development for Palantir came through a $99.8 million contract to expand its Maven smart system, which will now be available to all branches of the US military. This expansion is a significant step forward, as it aims to improve the interoperability and overall readiness of the military, helping it stay ahead in an increasingly technology-driven landscape. With this new contract, military services will have access to cutting-edge innovations that have already been deployed by the Office of the Secretary of Defense and the National Geospatial Intelligence Agency. These innovations will help the US military maintain its technological edge and streamline various defense processes. However, despite these significant wins, some analysts have expressed caution about Palantir's stock performance. According to analysts, the company's stock has risen by over 129% in the past year, leading some to believe that it is currently overvalued. While Palantir's rise has been impressive, especially considering its growing role in industries like defense, government, and commercial sectors, some experts are now recommending that investors sell their stock to lock in profits before any potential pullback. One of the most respected voices in this debate is a top-rated investor known for his accurate stock predictions. Kavanaugh acknowledges that Palantir's success is undeniable, but he believes the company's current valuation makes it difficult to justify adding more shares to an investment portfolio. Kavanaugh points to several key metrics that indicate Palantir may be overvalued. For example, based on projected operating profits of $1.2 billion for 2026, Palantir's enterprise value to earnings before interest and taxes ratio stands at nearly 60, a number that is over 300% higher than the average for its peers in the information technology sector. Palantir's price-to-earnings ratio is 382% higher than the sector average, while its price-to-sales ratio is a staggering 1,000% above average. Additionally, Palantir's enterprise value to earnings before interest taxes. Depreciation and amortization ratio is over 1,193% greater than the norm for companies in similar industries. These numbers suggest that Palantir's current stock price is significantly inflated compared to its competitors, making it a risky investment at its current level. Despite these warnings, Kavanaugh also acknowledges that Palantir's appeal remains strong. The company's success in attracting commercial customers and aligning with various U.S. defense priorities makes it a compelling player in the market. Additionally, Palantir's recent inclusion in the prestigious S&P 500 index is likely to drive up demand for its shares, as index funds and exchange-traded funds that track the S&P 500 will need to purchase Palantir stock to balance their portfolios. Wall Street analysts appear to share a similar sentiment, as Palantir currently holds a consensus rating of hold among experts. Out of 16 analysts, 4 have issued a buy rating, 6 have issued a hold rating, and another 6 have recommended selling the stock. Palantir's 12-month average price target is $27.67, which implies a potential downside of 24% from current levels. In conclusion, while Palantir Technologies continues to make significant strides through its partnerships, contracts, and technological advancements, some investors remain wary of its current stock valuation. The company's role in industries ranging from defense to commercial sectors is growing, and its impact on the adoption of artificial intelligence in critical areas is undeniable. However, with concerns about overvaluation, it may be wise for investors to exercise caution and wait for a more favorable entry point. Palantir Technologies has formed a major partnership with Edge-Scale Artificial Intelligence to introduce Live Edge, a platform that integrates artificial intelligence into complex industries like manufacturing and utilities. The company has also secured major deals with APA Corporation and the US military, further solidifying its role in critical sectors. However, analysts like Kavanaugh Research are warning that a Palantir stock may be overvalued, citing metrics that suggest the price is inflated compared to industry peers. Despite this, the company's inclusion in the S&P 500 and continued technological success make it a stock worth watching. Investors are advised to stay cautious due to potential downside risks. For more stock news updates, remember to press the like button and subscribe. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.